What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and I just wanted to jump on and shoot a quick video as far as the overall short-term rental market and mid-term rental market if you're looking to get into rentals, short-term rentals, Airbnb, all of that. Because the latest strategy that I advise and have been working on with everybody that I work with is a hybrid model. And I made a video about this not too long ago, which you can find on the channel, but the real estate industry is shifting very, very quickly, and it's starting to heat up again. They just dropped interest rates by another 0.25%. So if you're looking to buy an Airbnb, buy a short-term rental, and take advantage of the short-term rental loophole, which I've also talked about extensively, which basically you can get great tax savings if you own and operate a short-term rental, right now is a great time to start looking to do that, okay? And, you can consult your CPA on the details of how that works, but essentially you can get great tax savings at the end of the year for purchasing and operating a short-term rental. And, I just got off a call with one of my students. He's 22 years old. I actually just recorded a video with him. You can find it on the channel. He just locked in a property, and he was able to get booked within 10 minutes of his property being live. Literally within 10 minutes. So if you're looking to get into Airbnb, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for, but the conditions could not be better. And, make sure to watch my video on how to start an Airbnb from A to Z. I have a completely free course teaching you how to do that. You can find the link in the description somewhere. And then for those of you that want more hands-on one-on-one help, you can also click below and apply to work with me. But just as far as an overall update, it really had me thinking the difference between people that succeed and people that don't are the ones that take action and figure it out, right? And my student Jaden is a perfect example of that, at just 22 years old. So, check that out. I really want to give you as much value as I can. And that's what this video is dedicated to, or that's what this channel is dedicated to. So make sure that you check out the channel, and if you're looking to get into Airbnb, make sure to watch all of these videos where I break it down, and especially what I call the hybrid model, which you'll definitely benefit from understanding and learning about. That's the direction I see all of short-term rentals going, is creating that hybrid approach where you can find people, especially in your slow season, that are looking to stay for not just short-term basis, but even a mid-term basis. So mid-term rentals. And there's a website called Furnish Finder, and there's many others like it that I share with my students that allow you to find these sorts of tenants that will stay a little bit longer than short-term, but also not necessarily long-term. It's a medium balance as far as how long they're staying and also what you're able to charge them. So that will help create a buffer for anytime you have a slow season. For example, if your property typically goes for $5K a month on a long-term basis, and maybe you make $10K a month on a short-term basis, you could probably charge right around $700, $800, $8,500 a month if you find these midterm renters. So food for thought for you all. I hope this video finds you well. Be great.